Okay, so for today, we are going to talk about perfect square trinomial. So, ang perfect square trinomial, ito yung itsura niya. Tapos, ganito dapat yung itsura ng sagot natin. Okay? So, when do we know na a trinomial is a perfect square trinomial? We know na it is a perfect square trinomial kapag parehas perfect square yung a natin, pati yung c, okay? Kasi ano to ax squared plus or minus bx plus or minus c. Okay? Kasi nga, ano siya, quadratic. Okay? So, ayun. Let's have number 1 as an example. We have here x squared plus 6x plus 9. So, paano if-factor out to? We just have to get the square root of both ends, okay? Yung ax squared natin, tsaka yung constant. So, ang square root ng x squared is x lang. Tapos, ang square root ng 9 is 3. Okay? Tapos, ilalagay natin siya sa ganitong form. Palaging positive. Okay? So, ganyan. So, what about this? Majority of the time, sa math, ganito yung nakikita natin. Pero in reality, we actually have to expand it. So, sige, for the sake of this video, this is our final answer. But whenever we are asked to expand it, ganito dapat yung itsura niya. X plus 3 is being multiplied to itself twice. Okay, kasi meron tayong exponent ng 2. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin siya 2 beses to itself. Okay, yun yung ibig sabihin ng expand. Let's have number 2. We have here 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Again, we have here our ax squared, bx, and our constant. We have to get the square root of our ax squared pati yung constant natin. Ang square root nito is 2x. Okay? Kasi ang square root ng 4 is c2, and then ang square root ng x squared is cx. Ngayon, sa 25 naman, ang square root ng 25 is 5. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 2x plus 5 squared yung ating factored form. Okay, ganyan siya. But, if you are asked to expand it, kailangan ganito na siya. 2x plus 5, tapos 2x plus 5, kasi it is being multiplied to itself Kasi, meron tayong exponent ng 2. Okay? So, that's it.